Hi, welcome to Tanvi's studio. Today I'm going to be unboxing Truly Me number 76. He is a boy doll. He comes in a pretty standard box. You can see his picture and his number 76 at the bottom. He is my first boy American Girl doll, so I cannot wait to unbox him. Let's get started. Okay, so I'll get him out of his packaging and I'll be right back. So since he's a Truly Me doll, he comes with the Friends book. And I took him out of his simple packaging, so here's how he looks. So let's take these things off. He has no hair in it because he has short hair, and that's kind of disappointing since I love to take off the hair nets. His hair is shiny and soft like all American Girl doll hair is, and it is dark. It looks sort of like a black brown. His hair is stylishly curved on his forehead. Let's see if you can see it. When I got him a month or two ago, he was the only doll with amber eyes. His face mold is the modified Sonali mold, and he has medium skin with tan undertones. His shirt is a blue and light gray colored shirt with a placket which has 2 white buttons on it. The sleeves are raglan long sleeves. His pants are blue denim jeans, which have real pockets in the front and back. And look at his shoes. He comes wearing dark blue shoes with light teal zigzags which have white soles. Also, he has the AG logo over here on his shirt. So I have here this boy doll outfit, and this is the only boy doll outfit that I've ever made, so he has no choice but to try it on. Let me go and get him changed. So here's how he looks. I originally made this outfit for the Ganpati festival. So this is a traditional kurta and this is a Maharashtrian feta. I like how this goes with the Maharashtrian purple pulka. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed. Please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Bye!